I think
Yeah, I can take it.
Hi, my name is Justin. This is my wife Charmaine, and this is Angie Khoo, our interior designer from the Interior Lab.
We wanted something that we'll be comfortable in the instant we stepped in. So this place feels like an oasis of somewhere that we can feel really comfortable in. We can relax and chill after a long day. So hence we chose a Scandi design, and Angie managed to bring our vision to life.
So we wanted something that is cozy. We wanted somewhere that we can really come home and relax. And also we have this house is made up of a lot of light colors.
So we went to a few IDs, and when we met Angie, she was very structured in the way she presented the renovation process. So out of all the IDs we met, we felt that she was somebody we could connect with, both on a personal and a professional level. So she gave us a lot of trust and faith that she knew what she was talking about. After meeting a few IDs, we felt very comfortable working with her and trusting her for our house renovation project. And even throughout the journey, she will update us through WhatsApp very often and through face-to-face visits. So it really affirmed us in our first decision to choose the Interior Lab and to choose to work with Angie.
I would say that I'm really impressed with the quality of work, and I think from the start of the renovation until the end of it, it took about approximately 2 months. And the carpenter put in a lot of work. The quality of work is there, and we really appreciate Angie for also guiding the whole design process, and it was smooth and we were very happy. I think prior to the finishing of the house, I think the house we had before was very different. Yeah, I think Angie was also very creative in her designs, and we managed to break down the wall and to build a panel across the living room and the kitchen, and it's a very good job done, and we were very happy at how this place transformed into a beautiful home.
Our favourite part of the house would be this area that is joining the kitchen and the living room, because it's somewhere where the heart of the home is. So when I'm cooking, he can be playing his games, and we can still be close to each other while still be separated in individual spaces. Yeah, so that, and when our friends come over as well, it feels like they are part of the cooking and the food process. So it feels very close together, and I think that's something that's different about our house compared to other homes.
Okay, I think Angie did a very good job. You know, she has just a lot of helpful guides in her mind, and she's able to help us with our requests very well. And she's very flexible because we have a few wants, and we're just glad that she's able to fulfill our requests and to design this beautiful home that we have.
Initially, I was worried that it would be hard to find a balance between both, and a lot of times we hear scary stories about renovation, but we didn't experience any of that at all. Instead, working with Angie was a breeze. Every day she would update us. We felt very involved in the house, and we felt as though we were in the house, although we were not physically present. Yeah, just because there was somebody we could trust who was always on site and always managing it really well. So that was something we really appreciated, and we really recommend her to a lot of people who are also undergoing the same life phase.